To deposit a Wells Fargo auto loan payment, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your loan account information and payment details ready. You will need your loan account number and the amount you want to pay. Next, decide on a payment method. Wells Fargo offers several options, including online banking, mobile banking, phone banking, mail, and in-person payments at a Wells Fargo branch or ATM. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. For online banking, log into your Wells Fargo account, select your auto loan, and choose the payment option. Enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. For mobile banking, open the Wells Fargo app, select your auto loan, and follow the prompts to make a payment. If you prefer to pay by phone, call the Wells Fargo customer service number and follow the automated prompts to make a payment. To pay by mail, send a check or money order with your loan account number to the address listed on your statement. To make an in-person payment, visit a Wells Fargo branch or ATM and provide your loan account information and payment to the representative. Regardless of the payment method, ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the payment amount and that you make the payment before the due date to avoid late fees. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your payment, including the date and amount paid, in case you need to reference it later. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a Wells Fargo auto loan payment and stay on top of your loan obligations. Remember to always review your loan statement and payment schedule to ensure you are making timely payments and avoiding any potential penalties.